Atos, your business technologists, powering progress.
There is a new digital revolution in manufacturing. 3D printing was a novelty, a curiosity, almost a game. Well, not anymore. This is now about digital transformation on the widest conceivable scale. Additive manufacturing makes it possible to create objects which simply cannot be produced with milling or molding. One-offs, such as life-changing medical products. Products originally designed for mass production but now created on demand. Dynamic prototypes produced in record time, allowing design teams to close the gap between inspiration and reality. From products measured in microns to bridge sections, or even emergency housing printed on site in disaster zones. Working with polymers and ceramics and with metals including titanium and aluminum. But it's not just the products, it's the processes too. Additive manufacturing promotes virtual design teams, giving you direct access to the best designers, slashing the cost of transport and storage, virtually eliminating waste, using only the material volume needed for the actual product, radically improving critical environmental impact, and most importantly, helping you become a more innovative, more responsible, and more profitable business. The opportunity is right here, right now. But are you ready to take it? The good news is that you are not alone. Atos established its Specialist Additive Manufacturing Task Force in 2012. Combining the strategic with the practical, we are ready to help you exploit the fastest moving of all manufacturing innovation areas. We're ready to help you decide how best to integrate and exploit additive manufacturing alongside your current practices. We're ready to help you establish realistic and substantiated projections for return on investment. But most important of all, we're ready to help you gain both immediate and sustained benefit from additive manufacturing, turning your ideas and ambitions into tangible and differentiating realities. Additive manufacturing is the shape of your future.